Who was the first woman to present the union budget in India? Option A, Indira Gandhi. Option B, Pratibha Patil. Option C, Sarojini Naidu. Option D, Nirmala Sitharaman. Correct answer. Option A, Indira Gandhi. Which of the following is India's first dedicated space-based solar observatory mission, launched by ISRO? Option A, Rohini RS-1. Option B, Astrosat. Option C, Aditya L-1. Option D, Bhaskara 1. Correct answer. Option C, Aditya L1. Which of the following measures represents the average income of each individual in a country or region? Option A, total national income. Option B, per capita income. Option C, nation economy. Option D, nominal GNP. Correct answer. Option B, per capita income. The metro rail network in India currently operates in how many cities and states? Option A, 19 cities and 12 states. Option B, 20 cities and 13 states. Option C, 22 cities and 10 states. Option D, 23 cities and 11 states. Correct answer. Option D, 23 cities and 11 states. Which of the following planets is not an inner planet or terrestrial planet? Option A, Mercury. Option B, Earth. Option C, Venus. Option D, Jupiter. Correct answer. Option D, Jupiter. Which of the following refers to a Buddhist prayer hall or shrine? Option A, Vihara. Option B, Mandapa. Option C, Stupa. Option D, Chaitya. Correct answer. Option D, Chaitya. Which is the only Round Table Conference attended by Mahatma Gandhi? Option A, First Round Table Conference, 1930. Option B, Second Round Table Conference, 1931. Option C, Third Round Table Conference, 1932. Option D, none of the above. Correct answer. Option B, Second Round Table Conference, 1931. Who among the following was awarded the Padma Shri in 2025, in the field of art? Option A, S. Ajit Kumar. Option B, Shobhana Chandrakumar. Option C, Nandamuri Balakrishna. Option D, Arijit Singh. Correct answer. Option D, Arijit Singh. The Bhimbetka Rock Shelters, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its prehistoric cave paintings, are located in which Indian state? Option A, Madhya Pradesh. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Maharashtra. Option D, Bihar. Correct answer. Option A, Madhya Pradesh. In which battle Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi and established Mughal dynasty in India? Option A, First Battle of Panipat. Option B, Battle of Haldigati. Option C, Battle of Kanwa. Option D, Second Battle of Panipat. Correct answer. Option A, First Battle of Panipat. Through which Constitutional Amendment Act was the 11th fundamental duty, which mandates parents to provide education to children aged 6 to 14, was introduced? Option A, 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act, 1976. Option B, 61st Constitutional Amendment Act, 1989. Option C, 86th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2002. Option D, 93rd Constitutional Amendment Act, 2005. Correct answer. Option C, 86th Constitutional Amendment Act, 2002. Which of the following were the first two Indian cities to be recognized as wetland cities under the Ramsar Convention? Option A, Chennai and Varanasi. Option B, Indore and Udaipur. Option C, Kochi and Surat. Option D, Bhopal and Madurai. Correct answer. Option B, Indore and Udaipur. Where was the 2025 NATO summit held? Option A, Ankara, Turkey. Option B, Paris, France. Option C, The Hague, Netherlands. Option D, Washington, D.C., United States. Correct answer. Option C, The Hague, Netherlands. Which state is often referred to as the brother state of the Seven Sisters in northeast India? Option A, Tripura. Option B, Assam. Option C, Sikkim. Option D, Nagaland. Correct answer. Option C, Sikkim. Which of the following defines an archipelago? Option A, group of islands. Option B, fertile area of a desert. Option C, dense forest area. Option D, series of volcanic eruptions. Correct answer. Option A, group of islands. The Government of India launched the Crocodile Conservation Project, in which of the following years? Option A, 1973. Option B, 1975. Option C, 1981. Option D, 1988. Correct answer. Option B, 1975. Nautanki, a traditional folk dance and theatre form, known for its music, dance, and storytelling, originates from which Indian state? Option A, Odisha. Option B, Kerala. Option C, Haryana. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. Correct answer. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. Which region was the first to come under British control in India through war? Option A, Bengal. Option B, Punjab. Option C, Awadh. Option D, Meerut. Correct answer. Option A, Bengal. The Bhupen Hazarika Bridge, the longest river bridge in India, is built across which river? Option A, Chenab River. Option B, Lohit River. Option C, Chambal River. Option D, Hooghly River. Correct answer. Option B, Lohit River. Which of the following diseases is caused by bacteria? Option A, ringworm. Option B, measles. Option C, cholera. Option D, malaria. Correct answer. Option C, cholera. Which Indian state recently became the country's second fully literate state, under the ULAS scheme? Option A, Mizoram. Option B, Ladakh. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Goa. Correct answer. Option D, Goa. Who is the author of the book, Unhappy India? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Rabindranath Tagore. Option C, Lala Lajpat Rai. Option D, B.R. Ambedkar. Correct answer. Option C, Lala Lajpat Rai. The Dongria Khand, recognized as a particularly vulnerable tribal group, mainly located in which Indian state? Option A, Telangana. Option B, Odisha. Option C, Andhra Pradesh. Option D, Karnataka. Correct answer. Option B, Odisha. Which instrument is used to measure the atmospheric pressure? Option A, barometer. Option B, anemometer. Option C, manometer. Option D, wind vane. Correct answer. Option A, barometer. In which sport is the term yuko primarily associated with? Option A, judo. Option B, taekwondo. Option C, karate. Option D, wrestling. Correct answer. Option A, judo.